Hey there, my name is Demetri from PDF.ai, and in this video, we're gonna dive into a really cool use case that you can, use when you're trying to get work done. Are you doing a lot of research for a paper and you're trying to sort out how you can aggregate all of these different PDFs, but you have just so many different tabs open on your computer that it's making it difficult? Well, lucky for you, we have the solution. Let's say I was doing a research paper on photosynthesis for a biology paper in college. And what I wanted to do was, sort through all this information, analyze it from multiple different types of research and writing on photosynthesis, which I have here. What I can do with PDF.ai is type out PDF.ai and then / and you'll see that it quickly takes that PDF and puts it into my PDF.ai account. So it's just gonna add all this information and I don't have to do anything besides this. And then from there, I can change the model to something like GPT-4o and I could ask for a summary on this topic. The document is a review on the basics, history, and modeling of photosynthesis, emphasizing the importance of mathematical modeling in understanding and predicting photosynthetic processes. So this is great, a lot of cool key points here. I love the start to this, but what if I want to add more? Well, I'd simply follow that same process and I type PDF.ai and then / and then I do the same thing again. I just want a summary of it because I'm curious. So slightly different specifics here, and I could ask some more questions like, how did Helmont determine that plants do not obtain their food from the soil? Okay, very interesting stuff. He found out by conducting an experiment where he wanted to check if when he planted a small willow tree in a pot of soil, that it would do so or not. So he weighed the tree and the soil before and after the experiment, and despite the tree growing significantly in size, the soil's weight only decreased slightly, showing that the increased mass of the plant did not come from solely the soil. That was difficult to say. But regardless, we can do the exact same thing for this PDF with that same PDF.ai /. And now that this is all in here, I could summarize again. Interesting. So improving photosynthesis efficiency increases crop yield in the face of global population and changing agricultural needs. Interesting. So now if I go into my account, what I'll find is that all three of these are actually added here. And what I can do is I can rename them if I'd like. So for example, this one is definitely named poorly. I'm gonna change this to a different review paper. Name. All right. I can do the same thing with the other ones. And then after I have this named, I can create a new tag called photosynthesis. So this would be on a topic. And I could add that tag to all three of these. So let's add photosynthesis to the other two. And after that, you'll see that all three of these pop up here. And I can very simply interact with my research in a better way. I could go into any of these different papers and chat with it after filtering to this tag and have a much better workflow for handling my photosynthesis research. And I could keep them in here through the time length that I need to finish my research, remove the tags, delete out any articles that I don't find useful anymore, and just have a lot better of a research experience than I remember having when I was in college. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.